this is Vivan. You're watching Crypto Cult. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Space ID project. How can you be eligible for the potential airdrop? So let's get into my screen. So if you come to the website, that is space.id, all the links are in description. You can see that they are providing a universal identifier, just like what Ethereum naming service was doing, where you can get your .eth name. Exactly that, here you can get .bnb name. If you look at it, it's basically very much similar to what Ethereum naming service was doing. Ethereum naming service gave me an airdrop of 2.5 lakh rupees. So I'm expecting if there's an airdrop for Space ID, it will also be very rewarding. So first of all, come here, click on app, connect your MetaMask wallet. I've already connected my MetaMask wallet. You have to search for a unique name. Okay. So for example, if I search for Crypto Cult is already taken. So let me go for vivan.bnb. Click on search. You can see that is available. Click on register. You could get anything you want. You can get .Shahrukh Khan. You can get Salman Khan.bnb. You could get modiji.bnb, anything that you want. So first of all, if you look at this page, you can see that I'm bidding for vivan.bnb. I am trying to register it for 1 year. SID points is 0. So I have to get SID points here. How will I do that? I'll go to profile. I'll go to manage account. Once I come here, you can see that my gift card points is 0. I'll click on mint a gift card. Once I do this, I can either go for a $5 gift card. I can go for a $160 gift card or a $650 gift card. I'll just choose one here and then I'll go for a $5 gift card. Click on mint, approve the transaction. Now, if you go to my gift card, you can see that you have one $5 gift card. Let's go and register vivan.bnb. Click on redeem. Approve the transaction. You've successfully added and redeemed. Click on request. Click here. Click on request. Your transaction is pending. Just approve the transaction again. So overall, you are paying approximately $6 to get vivan.bnb registered. Wait for the transaction to get completed. Here you can see that you're on step 2. So click on register. Again, accept the transaction. Your registration is now complete. Go to manage profile and click on set your primary name. Here you'll have to choose your primary name. So I'm choosing as vivan.bnb. If you're using modiji.bnb, you could use that as well. Click here and click on save. Approve the transaction again. So overall, you spend around $6.2 for the whole process. Now what you have to do is to go to their Discord. The link is again in the description. Click on accept invite. Here you can see that you have to verify here. Just click here and click on verify. You will have to type this out again. Just click on answer. You've successfully verified now. The next step is to get a role. So you can come to Space Dome and click on get roles. Now just click on claim roles. Click on join. This window will pop up. You'll have to connect your wallet. Click on verify account. Sign the transaction. Join guild to get roles. Click here. Click on join guild. Now click on connect to claim access. Authorize. Now you have successfully connected your Discord. Let's go to Discord server again. Come to get roles. Click on claim roles. Now you successfully joined the guild. You've got 1 out of 1 role with your connected address. So this step is also completed. The next step is to come to galaxy.com. That is GALXC.com. Here we have 2 links. All the links are in the description. Here you have Watch 1 Prime and here you have Watch 2 Legacy. You will get 1 NFT if you do all these steps. The similar is with the second NFT. You will do all these steps and you can get these NFTs for free, which will again be a multiplier if you're applying for airdrops. So first of all, just click here. You see what you have to do. Connect your Twitter. Once you connect your Twitter, the first step is to click this button below and tweet a verification message on Twitter. Second step is once your tweet is done, you copy and paste that link. The second step is to have a .bnb as a primary name owner. This is something that we have already done. The third step is to connect your Discord. So just click on connect Discord and authorize. Now we have also connected with your Discord. Sign the transaction. You can click on verify now. It's verified. The last step is to connect your Twitter again. Just click on Twitter. Again, please click this button below and tweet a verification message on Twitter. If you click on this, you'll have to verify and then you have to paste the same link here and click on verify. Now for Space ID Watch 2 Legacy, if you want to get 1 more NFT, you'll have to connect your Twitter. You'll have to verify your gift card. Just click here on verify and it will get verified because we've already bought 1 gift card. Now again, if you have to connect your Twitter and tweet out that you're verifying your Twitter, you have to copy this tweet and then paste it here and click on verify. So these are the steps that you could do to get qualified for the Space ID airdrop. If there are more quests coming in the future, we will be updating them on our Telegram channel. Make sure you're joining the Telegram channel and subscribing to Crypto Cult as well. All the links are in the description. This is Vivan signing off.